Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, when you try to set up the Apple Pay and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. First of all, you have to close this page. So let me close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings and make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Scroll it down, tap on screen time, scroll it down, tap on content and privacy restrictions. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn off the restrictions. So just simply have to turn off the restrictions and then go back and then force restart your device and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general. From here you have to make sure that if you have updated your device to the latest iOS version, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, and from here guys, tap on language and region. Just simply have to change your region, okay guys, because maybe your region is incorrect, that's why it's not working. Just simply have to select the region in which you are living, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.